Good morning, Year 6, and happy Wednesday. Let's have a look what we've got today. Same layout as last time. If you are enjoying other aspects more and you'd rather do them first, you can jump through the video if you like to go and do your favourite bit first. Or if you're like me, I save my favourite bits to the end. So have a little play with the order of that of the day if you like, if that suits you better. But try and get through everything if you can, if you've got time for that. Extra bits if you finish early as well. So here is your warm-up. There are 5 answers to questions. You need to make up what the questions were. So for number 1, my question would be, what is Miss Tucker's least favourite type of weather? You can't use that one, you've got to make up your own though. Off you go, 5 questions. Enjoy. Okay, we're on to chapter 15 of Wolf Brother. Don't forget the text is a separate PDF on the Year 6 home learning page. If you have finished your reading before the end of your allotted reading time, please have a look at the questions and have a think about the answers to them. See if you can look through the text and find the answers to them or find proof for your answer. It's TT Rockstars time. So please log on to TT Rockstars and spend 20 minutes playing some games, not buying new outfits for your avatar, actually playing some games and practicing TT Rockstars. I'm really impressed with who's doing these, and really good job. If you can't log on to TT Rockstars for whatever reason, please have a go at the fluency questions on the next page. So these are your fluency questions today. They are all division questions. So looking at the screen now, they look a little bit like additions, but they're not, they are divisions, sorry. So you're going to be dividing the whole way through. Enjoy these, time yourself, and when you're done, check them with a calculator to see how many you got right. Today's maths lessons and activities are up on Khan Academy, ready to begin. If you have not yet signed up for Khan Academy, please go to khanacademy.org/join and enter the code. There are really specific instructions on Monday, the 8th of June's Year 6 learning video. So if you go to the YouTube channel, the Redbrook YouTube channel, search for that video, it'll give you really precise instructions on how to set up and use Khan Academy. There's also SPAG lessons on there if you want to have a go at those. Okay, spelling practice. Can you spell the word dough? Dough. Can you spell the word science? Science. And can you spell the word attention? Attention. Those were yesterday's spellings, and here are the answers. Here's how they are spelled correctly. Dough, science, and attention. How many did you get right? And then here are today's words. So spend 15 minutes practicing the words obtained, weightless, and counsel. Practice them in any way that you like. Why not make it fun? Do a dance routine, do a cheerleading routine. Write them as big as you can, write them as small as you can, write them in as many colours as you can. Spend those 50 minutes and then ask somebody to test your memory of those spellings and see how you did. Good luck. Okay, my lovelies, today we are looking at descriptions of settings. Now, here is the start of a description of a setting, and it's presented almost poetically. So you've got an option today. If you would like to do it as a poem, crack on and use it as a poem. If you want to use it as just a paragraph, just a normal setting description, use it as that. That's absolutely fine. So we've got the first 4 sentences, or the first 4 phrases. I wandered lonely through a wood where snow-dusted branches tickled wrinkly trunks. Strangers' footprints directed me, and car tracks bravely crushed into the powdery paths. There's lots of lovely alliteration in there, almost that I can't get my tongue around it and get my words out correctly without getting all tongue-tied. So your job, Year 6, is to finish this description of a setting. This is all about visual things. So the writer has described this visually. I would like you to write 4 more paragraphs, or if you're doing it poetically, 4 more stanzas, each describing a different sense. So what can you hear, what can you feel, etc. If you're really proud of your work, please pop it on Padlet for everyone else to see. There's a little collection growing on there of English bits, and it's lovely to read through. Okay, today's transition activity involves this. So it might be handy to have your PDF up for this one. This is a timetable, an example timetable that you will get when you go to high school. So if I just explain it a little bit briefly to you here. So the bits in green, these are the times of the day. The bits in black, these are the subject or the activity. The bits in blue are the rooms. When you go to high school, you tend to have numbers on the rooms, but also the starting letters. So that'll be what kind of area it's in. So all the science rooms will be together, and all the English rooms will be together, and all the history rooms will be together. So it tells you what area and then which door within that area to go to. And then the purple writing is your teacher. So I'm going to ask you some questions now. We're going to practice reading this timetable. If I get rid of those so you can read the days of the week a bit easier. So we're going to practice reading this timetable and deducing and working out what we need, where we need to be and when. So I've got some questions for you on the next slide. So here you go. You have got 10 questions and you need to refer back to the timetable on the previous page to help you answer those. Enjoy. Maybe ask an older sibling or an adult to help you with this because the timetables can get a little bit tricky, especially when you're first learning how to use them. So enjoy, and I will speak to you tomorrow. Bye, Year 6.